Good day to you, this is Rain, founder of Forex Harriet Academy Private Limited. So today on the Traders Educator on Australian dollar, we are looking at the daily chart. So on the daily chart, we can see a break and close below the low price over here. Then the market has broken the high price once. Alright, so these mark a very important price. If the market break and close below the low price, then these bullish trend get even further weakened. To the 4-hour chart, on the 4-hour chart you can see a deep dive down, alright, but the market did have a halt over here. Let's see how it goes. To the 1-hour chart, it went flat as the market closed. To the daily chart, well, I'll share with you my analysis. My analysis is still remain the same. Bearish shark pattern 0.7165 for its selling opportunity still stand. To the 4-hour chart, there is a bullish shark pattern. Market dive right down. There isn't any confirmation of this bullish confirmation yet. It's not done. However, there is this buy zone. So if this buy zone hold well and reverse, is a great trading opportunity. To 1 hour, nothing much on 1 hour. So either V bottom or a double bottom for a counter trend based on the 1 hour and a trend trading opportunity based on the 4. If you love to see the development of this trade, join us live on Facebook this Wednesday, www.facebook.com/forexhammer.org. Check the description at the bottom. Till then, remember always, plan your trade and trade your plan, and I'll see you soon on the next video.